Imagine a scenario where a massive solar flare or a nuclear attack disables the power grid across large regions. This might sound like a science fiction plot, but it's a real threat, known as an electromagnetic pulse, or EMP. An EMP could instantly knock out all unprotected electronics, leaving homes without power indefinitely. But what if you could protect your home from such a disaster? That's exactly what the homeowners in Georgia did by installing a hybrid solar system with EMP hardening. This system not only provides energy independence, but also ensures resilience against EMPs. Let's break down this advanced setup. The core of the system is a Sol-Ark 8K transformerless inverter. It's paired with 13 high-efficiency LG solar panels, designed to harness the sun's energy efficiently. But what makes this system special is its EMP hardening. Sol-Ark inverters are specifically built to withstand EMPs, ensuring that your energy system remains operational even in the worst-case scenario. Next, the system includes a robust battery backup. These batteries are crucial as they store excess solar energy, providing power when the sun isn't shining. Additionally, the system is integrated with a generator. In the event of prolonged grid failure, this generator kicks in, supplying power to critical loads like refrigeration, communication systems, and essential appliances. Why is this important? In today's world, where grid failures can happen due to natural disasters or even cyber attacks, having an independent power source is more critical than ever. This hybrid solar system provides a sustainable and secure energy solution, reducing reliance on traditional power grids. EMP preparedness might seem like an extreme measure, but as we've learned from the global pandemic and increasing cyber threats, it's better to be prepared. The hybrid solar system with EMP protection offers peace of mind, knowing that your home can remain powered no matter what happens. If you're considering ways to secure your home and ensure energy independence, investing in an EMP-hardened solar system could be the solution. It's not just about protecting your home, it's about safeguarding your family's future.